How to generate Amazon affiliate links on phone. So if you open Amazon app on your phone and you try to find affiliate link of the product that you want to promote, then you cannot get it here on the Amazon app. But you can get your Amazon affiliate links using a browser. So what are you gonna do? Open up any browser on your smartphone. Here I'm gonna open Firefox and then search Amazon affiliate. And then click on the website that you have created your account on. Like if you have created a Amazon US account, then you have to visit Amazon US affiliate. But if you have created your country's Amazon affiliate account, then once you searched Amazon affiliate, your country's Amazon affiliate website will appear at the top. So here I'm gonna visit to affiliateprogram.amazon.in. And make sure you sign in to your Amazon Associates account. Now once you signed into your Amazon Associates account on mobile, here on your Amazon affiliate account dashboard, click on the three horizontal line at the top left corner. And then here click on SiteStripe. And now here click on Learn More. And here under SiteStripe, make sure your display status is enabled. And if it is not enabled, then you cannot generate Amazon affiliate links on your phone. So make sure it is enabled. Once it is enabled, open up a new tab on your browser and then visit to the Amazon shopping website of the country that you have created your Amazon affiliate account on. Here as I have created my Amazon affiliate India account, here I'm gonna visit to Amazon India. And now here search the product that you want to promote. So here let me search Microsoft Surface laptop and then select the product that you want to promote. Now here most importantly, you have to enable desktop site or desktop mode on your browser. So whatever browser you are using, there are always a desktop site or desktop mode option. And mostly you can find it at the top right corner by clicking on the three dot icon of any browser. And if you don't able to find it, then just search on internet how to turn on desktop site on that browser. So here you can see this is the desktop site option under find in page. So let's turn it on. And once you turned on desktop mode on your browser, now you can get your Amazon affiliate links using your phone. So here at the top header of Amazon website, Amazon Associates SiteStripe has been enabled. And to copy the affiliate link of the product that you have selected, just zoom in to top left of the website. And here on the SiteStripe, click on text under get link. And there it is, here you can find your Amazon affiliate links. And that's how you can find, copy and generate Amazon affiliate links using your phone. And that's pretty much it is. If you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to add more tracking ID to your Amazon affiliate account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.